Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready for a new office chair? Let's be honest, is there anything worse than having to sit at work in an uncomfortable, unsupportive office chair? This modern, adjustable, comfortable chair from ZLchair is just what you need to elevate your workspace. Did I mention comfortable and adaptable? Because there are so many parts of this chair that will move to fit what is comfortable for you. From the adaptable lumbar support to the adjustable headrest, both height and then it rotates as well. Even the armrests have 3 different positions. So I cannot even tell you how comfortable this chair is until you've experienced it for yourself. The chair came well packaged, so everything arrived safely. The instructions were simple and straightforward. Everything was well marked, and even the tool they include to put the chair together was well made. I appreciate too the fact that they included a section for spare screws, so you will not be missing anything when you're putting this chair together. It was not difficult, and I'm really impressed with the overall construction. It's beautiful to look at, so when you're not sitting in it, it's gonna look really nice in your office. And the fact that I can lean back so far and comfortably without feeling unstable is a real bonus for me. So if it's time to update your office space with a new chair, I highly recommend getting one that's gonna make you feel like you're in a luxury vehicle. This chair will adapt in so many different ways, from the height of the chair itself to the armrests to the lumbar support and even the headrest. It's everything you need to be comfortable while sitting at your desk. So I highly recommend giving this chair a try. You deserve to upgrade your sitting situation at work. And that is my point of view.